I am Fakiha Nazir, a student of BS Economics and Finance second year. Today we are discuss about challenges of water scarcity in Pakistan. Now we should have to know about what is scarcity. Water scarcity is a serious problem. There is not enough water for everyone's need. In Pakistan, water is not enough for population, like it affects drinking water, farming and food. We need to manage water wisely and save it. Let's move to the current situation of Pakistan. Pakistan is currently facing a serious issues of water scarcity. The demand of water increasing while the available water resources are decreasing. Importance of water. We know about water is essential for everyone. Also, water is necessary for our country's economy, like for our industries, agriculture, population. Now we are talking about causes of water scarcity, like population growth, climate changes, mismanagement of water growth. If the population grows faster, demand for water also increase. Like more people means more need of water. If water resources are not managed properly, then water scarcity happens. Climate changes. We know that climate changes can make places drier and also reduce the amount of available water. These changes can make harder to find enough water for everyone. Let's talk about the last cause of scarcity, mismanagement of water growth. Few things that can happen mismanagement, like not having enough pipes and system to stop wastage of water. To fix these problems, we need to be careful about how we use water, like in farming and in industries. Well, let's talk about impact on agriculture. When there is not enough water available for irrigation, crops can suffer and agricultural productivity can decline. Now we are discuss about some types like reduce crop yields, increase reliance on water intensive crops. Water is essential for plants' growth. When there's a shortage of water, crops may not receive enough moisture. It can cause crop yield. Now move to next impact. Increased reliance on water intensive crop. When there is a water scarcity, it can be tough for farmers who rely on water intensive crop. When water is not enough, farmers may struggle to provide irrigation for crops. This can have a big impact on agriculture.
Hello, this is Asma Abdul Rehan and I'll discuss the remaining topics. Here we go. Let's talk about impact on health. Increase of risk of waterborne diseases. As we know, in interior some people are forced to use unclean water. They don't have access, or you can say sources, to get clear water. Government should build pumping station and a proper clean water pipeline for their people. As we know that this is the essential of maintaining good health, and this unclean water affect their health and people are dying. This is such a huge issue. um, well Clean water is the key. Pakistan do not have access to clean drinking water due to water scarcity. This lack of access to clean water not only affect their health but also led to various other health issues such as diarrhea, cholera, and many more. Okay, let's talk about industrial and economic implication. In this slide, we are going to discuss, like, as we know, water is the main element of processing something. Industrial sector plays a significant role in country's economy. We use water in textile industry, manufacturing industry, chemical, pharmaceutical, automobile, and more. A strong industrial system can contribute to economical growth. So water is the main key, otherwise our economy implication stop working and we facing industrial and economical problem. Okay, we are discuss government initiative. The first heading is water conservation programs. Like Pakistan implemented several water conservation to address its water scarcity issue. One of the main program is National Program for Improvement of Water Course. In Pakistan, it is aimed to improve irrigation infrastructure to reduce water wastage. All right, and now we are discuss infrastructure development initiatives. As we know, Pakistan has few dams like I'll tell you, Pakistan has only 150 dams, which is poor in number. Pakistan should build more dam, more pumping station, and also maintain their pumping station and improve new machineries. Like government should improve water management and distribution. As we all know, the main problem is tanker mafia. Tanker mafias are the main problem of our country. They stop supplying of water and people are facing many problems of it. Supply of water should be rehabilitated in all areas of Pakistan. Okay, let's talk about our last topic uh, of water challenges of water scarcity, which is rainwater harvesting. Government should build ponds and more dam to store the rain of water. This water we use for fields, household needs, and many more. Policy formers in policy reformers, we are responsible of control water usage. We should use these type of techniques to store water, like harvesting rainwater. This should help us to store more water for living. Regulation have been implemented to control water usage, encourage efficient irrigation techniques, and promote the adoption of water saving technologies.
So now our topic is finally about to end.
Hope you like this information. Thank you.
Thank you.